Need water damage restoration in Kent? National Restoration Construction is ready to help you right now. National Restoration Construction offers 24/7 emergency response in Kent, with crews answering calls day and night. Our IICRC certified technicians use professional-grade equipment to handle water damage restoration the right way. National Restoration Construction is fully licensed. License number NATIORC 792M6 and insured, so Kent homeowners can trust every job. When water damage strikes your Kent home, National Restoration Construction is the team you can count on. Call National Restoration Construction now for a free estimate. Kent residents dial 206-883-0333 anytime, day or night.